Hey everyone, this is Daniel from AngelDAO. In this video, I'm going to walk through how to run our Liquity B protocol server that basically hosts a Liquity front end with the B protocol integration. So to start, you're going to navigate to our AngelDAO organization on GitHub and go to the Liquity B protocol server contribution repo. So this repo is our server that hosts the front ends from both B protocol and AngelDAO in that public directory. And what it's actually storing in that directory is the build files that are outputted from running yarn build in both of those repos. So yeah, that's what this is doing. Next, we are going to clone this repository. So we're going to just run git clone and then the repo route. Okay, so now we're just going to navigate to that local repository and check what's inside. So the only step we need to take to serve this is basically run yarn, and this is going to just install any of the dependencies that are listed in the package.json. So like express.js, I believe, and I think that's it. So once that's complete, we are going to run yarn start, and you'll see it runs the node server.js. We're then going to check localhost 8080, and you can see B protocol Liquity front-end integration is working. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. Really simple. To show you another step on how to run it, you could just run node server.js as well. And yeah, I'll just refresh it here. So yeah, you can see that it's still hosted, still working. So these are all the steps to take to run the front end. And yeah, it's pretty simple. So that's pretty much it. These steps are basically if you wanted to, create your own build files and verify, their contents. This is the first build file for the basically taking the standard Liquity front end and then implementing the JSX into the React app. And then this is the B protocol front end, which really straightforward on how to create the build files there. And it's basically what we're hosting on that B protocol menu item. So yeah, just to recap, those two repos, their build files are what we store in the public directory. So that B protocol comes from B protocol, and the rest of the files are basically just the contents of the this repo here. So if you wanted to go through step by step and look at all the changes that have been made, that step 1 through 9, those steps that are listed in the README will cover all of the things that you would need to know. Otherwise, you can just follow the steps in this video, and hopefully it'll be really easy for you to get up and running.